Yo, yo, guys! Welcome back to Healing and Mastery. Again, this is not a feel good podcast, this is a truth telling space, a space for the ones who were silenced, mislabeled, and broken open early in life. So, guys, today let's talk about the evil eye, okay? And let me say this clearly because this whole evil eye thingy is getting out of hand. And I see it everywhere now, you know? Trending all over social media like it's some magical explanation for everything that goes wrong in people's lives, And honestly, it makes me laugh sometimes because people will lose money, get into an accident, get their phone stolen, have a bad week, and immediately jump to, oh, someone just evil eyed me, as if another person's jealousy has more power over their reality than their own frequency, their own unhealed trauma, their own subconscious patterns, which already tells me a lot about where their level of consciousness is, you know? And I get it. This perspective is super common when you are unconscious or not spiritually awakened yet. But what really surprises me is that even some people in the spiritual community, still believe that someone being jealous of you can just fuck up your life like that, as if your soul is that unprotected, as if your energy is that weak, as if the universe or the angelic realm and higher consciousness just step aside because someone look at you with jealousy. you know Guys, no, that's not how it works. Okay, first of all, if you are operating in a higher frequency, then there's no such thing as evil eye. Okay? Let this sink in, guys, okay? Hexes, curses, none of that can even reach you. Okay? It doesn't penetrate, it doesn't land, it doesn't attach. Because it's literally vibrating in a frequency that cannot access yours. Okay? It's like trying to tune into a radio station that doesn't exist on your dial, you know? And spiritually gifted souls are highly protected, okay? They're highly protected by the angelic realm and higher frequency light beings beyond this 3D reality. So, no, okay? No, 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 no. If you are an empath, if you are spiritually gifted, if you have done your healing and you're anchored in your body and your truth, then nothing and no one can touch you. Period. Okay? Now, here's the part people don't like hearing, okay? For those who are still in lower vibration, that's a different conversation, you know? That's an entirely different conversation, guys, because if someone sends you jealousy, hatred, or malicious intent, and it actually hits you, it's not because they are powerful. It's because you are vibrating in the same frequency, you know? Because jealousy, fear, insecurity, trauma, and unhealed wounds live on the same energetic floor. So, yes, if you haven't done your inner work, if you're still stuck in fear, paranoia, victimhood, and emotional dysregulation, then that energy can smack you in the face, guys. Not because of magic, but because resonance is real. Okay? And sometimes, guys, listen, sometimes, let's go even deeper, okay? Sometimes, what people call evil eye is actually their karma, okay? Not the other person's power, but your own unresolved patterns catching up with you through an external trigger, you know? And the human mind loves to blame someone else instead of looking inward, because accountability is uncomfortable and healing requires responsibility, you know? So, no, the solution is not obsessing over who's jealous of you, who's watching you, who's sending bad energy, blah, blah, blah. No, because that mindset alone already drops your frequency. Okay? The real solution is healing, shadow work, nervous system regulation, facing your fears, dissolving subconscious trauma, all of those, okay? Because, guys, staying in low vibration isn't fun. It's fucking chaotic, It's unstable and it will keep attracting low vibrational experiences and then blame and then you blame other people instead of realizing you are being invited to rise. You know? So, guys, when you heal, you don't worry about evil eye, okay? You don't fear hexes. You don't scan the room for enemies. Because when your frequency is so high, nothing reaches you. Okay? Nothing sticks and nothing has power over you. Period. Okay? And that's the fucking truth. Okay? I hope it's clear now. Okay? So, guys, that's it for today. And and as always, if you're ready for more raw truth, deep healing, and self mastery, make sure you follow Healing and Mastery, okay, guys? And no, there's no such thing as evil eye, okay? Just raise your fucking frequency, raise your vibration, and no, nothing can penetrate you if you are so high. High, like me, okay? That's it. Happy freaking Wednesday to you all, and I love you all. Mwah.